So number one, there are clients who that we meet who know exact, oops, na forward do sa isa, no? So balik lang tayo sa kabilang side. Yan. So there are clients who know exactly what they want. Ito yung, these are clients whom we meet who know the exact details probably from an ad that they saw. Kumbaga, they already know what they want. Alam nila kung anong village, alam nila kung ilang bedrooms, alam nila kung anong finish. Yan. They know the project name, the details, the price, the payment scheme when it was first shown to them. So ito yung mga people na alam na nila na they fell in love with the project and now bumabalik na sila. So this is good because it narrows down their choices and budget. So when a client approaches me and tells me, for example, na I like to buy a two Sarendra two-bedroom unit and this is my budget and gusto ko yung facing the pool so they know everything about it. So what we do, it's a good opportunity for us since alam na kagad. So there's really little sales talk or little convincing that needs to be done. Ano? So this is actually a good lead